My potato pancakes are done. Green beans with shallots and bacon. I've got to still slice up the brisket, but I hope it will be delicious. And to top it all off, I'm loving my strawberry whipped cream cheese cake. Or no, that's what I was gonna call it. I'm gonna call it my strawberry shortcake cake. Hey, hi, I'm Amy in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and today I am making a dinner to have with my kids, Jeremy and Audrey, and Ember and Bodie. And so Chris and I are hosting them, and I'm really looking forward to it. So today, it has been so long since I've made a brisket. I don't have a smoker or anything like that, so I'm gonna try and do this in the oven. So I have put a rub on this brisket, and I did it last night. I put it in the fridge to kind of let this rub soak in and really try and get that flavor within the brisket. A brisket is, it can be a tough meat if you cook it too fast. So it really needs a slow cooking, a rub, maybe a little bit of liquid, but if you want it smoked, it's a dry cook. So that is what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put some more rub on the brisket. And I kind of made my homemade barbecue sauce. Basically, it's the seasonings from the rub mixed in with ketchup and a little bit more red wine vinegar. I would have preferred apple cider vinegar, but I did not have that. So I winged it, used red wine. The spices that are in this rub is probably about a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I've got, you can use paprika, but I used hot Hungarian paprika. So about 2 tablespoons or more. You can make more or less depending on what you need. I used 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika since I'm not cooking it in a smoker. I wanted that smoked flavor, and I might drizzle a little bit of liquid smoke on this to kind of, get that more brisket smoked flavor. Anyway, black pepper, kosher salt, about 1 tablespoon of salt. I did 1.5 tablespoons or maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder, a little bit of mustard powder, and I did not use cayenne powder because I use hot Hungarian. I like spicy meat, but I do not like it that spicy. So that is my rub. I'm gonna put some more of the rub on it again. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done a brisket, and I'm hoping it will turn out. Just gonna really want to seal this in. Poking air in there, so you don't want it just to be cooking in liquid. You want it to really do the thing. So I got a little bit of liquid smoke in there. I've got my rub mixed in with my ketchup. Got the rub on here, got the barbecue sauce on here. So I'm hoping it's got a lot of flavor. So I will see you later in about 4 hours. We'll see how it turned out. Okay, well, I am back in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and I've got the bacon going. It just got done, so I'll chop that up for the green beans. I've got the shallots chopped up, so I'm almost done with that. Well, these are the potatoes for my potato pancake. And no, they're not purple potatoes. I think I let them in the air, exposed to the air too long, and they turned brown. But I look at it this way. They are still potatoes. I'm hoping they still taste good. They just may look a little differently. So hopefully that will be the case, because if not, I did a boo-boo, and I will tell you later on how to keep your potatoes from browning or turning brown because of the air. So anyway, I'll let you know what happens. Well, hi, I'm back in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and guess what? Jeremy, Audrey have arrived along with Ember and Bodie, so I'm so excited. So, my potato pancakes are done. Green beans with shallots and bacon. I've got to still slice up the brisket, but I hope it will be delicious. And to top it all off, I'm loving my strawberry whipped cream cheese cake. Or, no, that's what I was going to call it. I'm going to call it my strawberry shortcake cake. So, anyway, Hopefully they will enjoy it, but I will have fun hanging out with them. So I'll give you a big photo afterwards, but I'm excited. So strawberry shortcake cake, potato pancake, green beans with shallots and bacon, and a brisket with the rub. You can find all of these recipes at amyroloffslittlekitchen.com, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will have the video and show the recipe as well. So thank you so much for joining me in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and I hope you enjoy making these in your own kitchen. So see you later. Bye.